In this latest video in my series where I talk about the meals that I ate 90% of the time during my own body transformation and continue to do so to stay in shape, I'm going to show you one of the tastiest, healthiest, most nutrient dense and most filling meals that I eat on a regular basis. Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvell. Now today I'm going to show you another one of those 5 meals that I eat 90% of the time. And today I'm going to show you a meal that most people get wrong. Now what is it? It's a salad, but not your ordinary type of salad, because I call this my man salad. And in a second you're going to see how to build a salad properly so that it provides you with everything you need to improve your health and continue to lose weight. Now before I show you how to put this together, guys, a couple of things. Number one, if you want to get complete full recipes for all 5 meals that I eat 90% of the time, you can go to 6weeksixpack.com/5 free and go download it there free of charge. No credit cards, no nonsense. And then guys, if you want to see the other videos in this mini video series where I talked about these 5 meals, you can click on the card in the top corner there. I will also put a link in the description box where you can go and check out all the other meals and how to put them together properly, step by step. But let's get going with this man salad. First and foremost, with every one of my meals, you start with a healthy protein source. And I've got free-range beef strips here. And we are going to start by cooking that in a little bit of coconut oil on medium heat. Now the next part of the salad is what I call building the body of your salad. And this is where most people get it all wrong. They add a few lettuce leaves, some tomatoes, some feta cheese, and then they destroy it all with unhealthy salad dressing. But get this right, and salads will become one of the most nutrient-dense meals that you can eat. So I like to start with the biggest leaves first, and I always like my leaves to have a lot of nutrients. So I like to start with a nice combination of spinach leaves, rocket and watercress. But that's a nice combination that I normally use, but if you just have spinach leaves, for example, that's a great thing to start with as well. Next, I'm going to add what I call baby herb leaves. This adds a nice bit of flavor, but even more nutrients to your salad and volume. And then finally, this is one of the secrets to take your salad's nutrient density to a whole new level, and that is sprouts. Now, I like to once again just get a mixture of sprouts and throw it all in there. So that is the body of your salad all done. And I just want to say, you can add lots of stuff here like onions, tomatoes, anything to add more flavor, more taste. But then guys, we are moving on to the healthy fats section of our meal. And I'm going to add a whole avocado. That's my portion size. Then we're going to add some salt. We're going to add some pepper. And then we're going to finish it off by adding the cooked beef strips. And I like to drizzle just a very small amount of balsamic vinegar. You can also use other types of vinegar, or you can skip it altogether. I like to use a very small amount of balsamic vinegar. It just adds a nice tangy taste to the salad. And guys, that is your salad all done. So as you can see, there's a lot of volume, there's a lot of nutrients in this salad. It's extremely tasty, and I promise you it will fill you up and provide you with the energy you need to live life to the fullest. So there you go, guys, another one of the 5 meals. Remember, if you want to get a complete and full recipe that you can download, not just for this meal, but for all the other 5 meals, you can go to 6weeksixpack.com/5 free, and you can download all 5 recipes there. And if you want to see all the other videos in this series already, you can click on the card at the top there, and it will take you to the playlist where you can check out all the other videos. As always, thank you so much for watching. Leave your comments in the comments box below if you have any, and please subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. I will see you in the next one, and remember, keep it simple out there and have fun. Bye-bye.